Hey guys, welcome to Adulting for Teens. We're continuing our laundry series. And so the next thing we're going to talk about is pre-treating stains and then also like how much detergent to use. And so the first thing about pre-treating stains, so if you have something like on a shirt that you're nervous that it's going to leave a stain, you need to pre-treat it before you wash it. And so you can just pour a little bit of detergent on the stain. Sometimes you'll need I'm looking at my little reference guide, I guess. Sometimes it helps to get like a toothbrush or something and just kind of scrub the detergent into it, just so you make sure you get it out. This puppy is trying to ruin everything. And so you just need to make sure you do that before you wash and dry your clothes, because the stain might set if you dry it and it's not treated right. You can also soak the garment for 30 minutes, but if you just pour the detergent on the stain, kind of rub it in and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, you should be pretty good to go ahead and wash it. You just want to look at it before you go ahead and put it in the dryer. And I find that it works best if you catch a stain pretty quickly after it happens. If you let it sit for too long, it's more likely to stay on there. And this counts for if you spill coffee, tea, any sweat stains, because that's a big problem with white shirts especially. And so blood, dirt, anything like that, you might need to soak it for a little bit, and you may need to do it a few times to make sure the stain gets out. So the next thing we're going to talk about is how much detergent to use, because you don't want to use so much that you're wasting it and it's like too much in your washer. But you also want to make sure your clothes are actually getting clean. And so this is nice because in this guide they have instructions. So if you have, and this is specific to Tides, you may want to look up depending on which detergent you use. But if you're using those little detergent packs, you do 1 for medium loads, 2 for large loads, and 3 for extra large loads. We use the liquid detergent, and so you'll fill it up to the, I don't know if you guys can see that, to the number 1 for small loads, number 3 for medium loads, and number 5 for the large loads. And then if you have powdered detergent, you'll have like a little measuring cup like that, and this shows you, again, you fill 1 for medium, 3 to large, 5 for the HE full load. And so that's just good to know, so you're not wasting detergent, but you're also making sure that your clothes get really, really clean. And so that's all I have for you today. I hope this is helpful.